It's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I am right now at Toss Products LLC with Felicia Green. She's going to tell you a little bit about her awesome paint palettes.
Okay, hi, my name is Felicia Gray and I am the inventor of this product. It's the first disposable paint palette. It's 100% biodegradable. It'll degrade in the garden. If your pets eat it or if somebody eats it, it's 100% food safe, and it holds multitudes of different mediums as far as oil paints, acrylics, watercolors, inks, dyes, and the nice thing is it will not leach through because these are water safe, and your water will stay in the well for probably until it evaporates. So a long time. There's a palette right there with the paint, or with the water, and I needed these because I needed something that would save time, save money, and also save water and save our earth. And so that's why I made them out of pulp, and it's all recycled cardboard, so we're using it twice and then tossing it when we're finished. The kids love them because they get a clean palette every time. I love them because I can go home and enjoy myself after my paint parties. And like I said, Toss Paint Plates is the name. And I just want comments. So if you guys pick these up at either Blick or Jerry's Artorama or Hobby Lobby, send me a note. Let me know if you like them.
Fabulous. Well, thank you so much.